Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. It is also a privacy concern for most users as they might not want others to know if they have checked the messages and when. Luckily, WhatsApp lets you turn off read receipts. Undoubtedly, one of the best features disabling read receipts saves you from embarrassing as well as from being considered rude or even egoistic. Now that you exactly know what's read receipts on WhatsApp, let's see how you can turn it off. First, launch WhatsApp on your phone. Head over to the settings or the three dots. Then, tap settings. Now, tap on privacy option and then locate read receipts, which should be enabled or turned on by default. Tap on the toggle to turn it off. Note, once you have turned off read receipts in WhatsApp, other users won't be able to tell whether you have checked their messages or not. However, it also means you no longer can see whether other users have checked your messages or not. We did a step-by-step guide on how to disable read receipts on Instagram. The photo sharing platform has both features read receipts for particular users and the global settings for all users. However, WhatsApp lacks the features to turn off read receipts for particular users. It means either you can turn off receipts for all contacts or none at all. Although read receipts for group chats on WhatsApp works the same as individual chats. Once all participants have seen your message, it shows two blue ticks. However, you cannot disable read receipts for group chats alone. You can either disable for all users or none at all. However, it doesn't include group voice messages as that can't be disabled. Now, what happens if I turned off read receipts in WhatsApp? You won't be able to see if others have read your messages or not. Thus, no two blue ticks when someone reads your messages. Others won't be able to tell whether you have read their messages or not. In case you are online at the time when they have opened your chats, you might have to counter why you didn't reply. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.